The HP printer error code 52.0 occurs when the scanner speed is incorrect, indicating a system malfunction that affects the writing of images to the drum. This error can be caused by an internal hardware issue, such as a defective laser scanner cable, which may require replacing the laser assembly. Common reasons for this error include incorrect laser sensor installation, where the sensor may be broken or not installed correctly, and an overload on the device when multiple users are connected via a network, leading to an incorrect scanner speed. Additionally, internal hardware errors, such as a faulty laser scanner cable or a spoiled scanner motor, can also trigger this error. To resolve an incorrect laser sensor installation, uninstall the printer driver and install the latest version, ensuring the power cable is not attached to the printer during installation. Remove the ink cartridges, disconnect the power cable, and wait for a minute before reconnecting and switching on the printer. For incorrect scanner speed, inspect the power supply, print a configuration page, and update the firmware by downloading the latest version from the product support page. To resolve internal hardware errors, replacing the scanner cable and DC controller may be necessary. By following these steps, the HP printer error code 52.0 can be resolved, allowing the printer to function properly.